What's going on, guys? Just want to make a quick video. What we're doing is replacing this handle right here. Kind of got drunk and broke it. So real quick, it's supposed to take only 10 minutes, so I just want to go ahead and do that. Well, I just pried this off. It's 3, 6, 10. It's 10 clips on the back of it, and I had a pry right here with a screwdriver. I started here and then went to the other side and pried here. So supposedly it's only 3 screws, one here, and one right here. And I also have the replacement right here. I'll leave the part number in the description. Wow. Hopefully the lighting's okay, but this is all I got to work with. So you're gonna need a star key or something. It's not a Phillips head, but the Phillips head is down here. So we're gonna go ahead and look for that. Right off. Real easy. So I was real skeptical about ordering it because there's 2 different part numbers, one for the chrome and one for the black. And I just went out on a limb and seen the part number that mentioned it was chrome. It doesn't really say it when you're ordering it, but I got it on Amazon. It was about 30 bucks and it came back chrome, so it is. Now we're gonna put it back up. And this is OEM, and you can see where, I don't know if you can see, but the black piece, the chrome piece is detached from the black piece. Don't want to tighten it too tight. Bada boom. Brand new. So overall, they said the process would have only took 10 minutes. I think we got it beat and got it down to under 5 minutes. It was pretty simple. 3 screws. So if you found this video on this lid latch very informative, hit that like button, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for me, and hit that bell notification to stay alert with what we got coming next. You're gonna want to stay tuned.